Greetings and good day. This is Christopher Fries here at Fries Forge. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Trilancer sharpening stone. It's a 400 and 1000 grit along with a hone that I was sent for review. So it came in a package, and I took it out of the package and I lost the package, so I can't unbox it for you, but this is what was in the box. It's a Waterstone, so it wants you to fully immerse the wet stone, W-H-E-T, in water and soak until no bubbles appear. So 5 to 10 minutes. Not intended for use with serrated blades or ceramic knives. Well, I've got this axe head here that I've just finished forging, grinding, and tempering into the water. Yeah, that is well and soaked. Okay, onto the rubber base. We're pretty close already, so shouldn't require much. Now this is of course a curved edge, which makes stone sharpening a little bit more tricky, I think. There's 400. Yeah. Much easier. 1000 grit. You know, I think that makes this the highest grit stone that I have. It's pretty cool. Lastly, we have this little hone here. I'm not sure how they want you to hold this. I don't understand, but I'll just hold it in my hand, I guess. Maybe like this. Definitely improvement. Cool. Well, there you have it. The Trilancer Whetstone. It works. Works quite well. The little hone works. The rubber base holds the stone very securely. It didn't move around once while I was sharpening, which is more than I can say for the other diamond stones that I have. I have to put that thing in my vise because it just slides around all over the place. This works. 400 up to 1000. Man, I now have a shaving sharp axe. Oh yeah, look at that. We're shaved. Ha! Well, that's pretty cool. Anyways, I hope you found this interesting, informative. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, there will be a link to it in the description of this video. I don't think it was very much money. Actually, I think it was very reasonably priced. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Until then, may the Force serve you well. Oh, side note, this whole video was recorded on this thing. The audio, anyway. was all recorded on this H1N that I was able to pick up off of Amazon. If you want to improve the quality of the audio of your videos, it might be worth picking up yourselves. I know I certainly am glad that I have it, and I was able to do so through the support of my patrons, so guys, thank you very much. You made these videos better. I hope you enjoy. May the Force serve you well. Well, you're still here. It's over. Go home. Well, I guess since you won't go away, I'll take this moment to thank my fantastic and wonderful patrons. You guys are amazing. Thank you very much. I love you long time. Over here you'll find a couple of videos I've done. This one is my most recent upload, and this one is one that YouTube has decided via its algorithms that you might enjoy. We all know how wonderful and fantastic and perfect YouTube's algorithms are, so I'm sure you have nothing to fear. Well, good luck.